Hey everybody, it's Aaron Norris. It's that time again, Friday, June 21st, and this is the Norris Group's Real Estate Headline Roundup in 2. Up next with a few headlines, builder confidence increased drastically this month by 8 points to 52, according to the National Association of Home Builders, who also reported a 6.8% increase in housing starts last month, with most of it coming from multifamily. California median price is up. It now stands at $417,350 in May. That's a 32% increase from last year. Existing home sales nationally increased 12.9% to 5.18 million in May. This is up 12.9% year over year and 4.2% month over month. Unemployment claims surprisingly increased by 18,000, and Freddie Mac reported fixed rate mortgage decreased slightly, with 30-year rates now at 3.93% and 15-year rates at 3.04%. Lots of drama this week in the stock market after Fed Chair Bernanke hinted that the central bank will slow its purchases of treasuries and bonds backed by housing loans. The recovery appears to be just strong enough for the Feds to slow propping up the market. At the time of this video, it appears today won't be as bad as Wednesday and Thursday at least. The Congressional Budget Office released some very exciting numbers this week, reporting that the U.S. budget deficit decreased, I know, weird word you're not associated with the government with a cutback in government spending and increased revenue. Federal spending on programs with Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and FHA and TARP did not require as much assistance from the government in the first 8 months of 2013, which helped, and there has been an increase in revenue, which also helped cut that number. Two recent reports by RE/MAX and the U.S. Census Bureau suggest inventory levels are showing positive signs, with an increase in housing starts and a little bit of stabilizing of numbers. Housing starts increased by 6.8% month over month in May and 28% year over year. Supply has remained pretty steady, having decreased only 0.9% month over month and 26.4% year over year. New York real estate investor Rubin Schron offered to buy the Empire State Building for all cash at $2 billion. Schron's company, I think it's Cainbees International, is up against Malkin Holdings proceeding with its plan to include the Empire State Building in a 20-property REIT. The appraised value of the property is $2.53 billion, so this is not your typical 70% minus repairs kind of deal, I guess. That's it for the headlines, but you can see many more on our website at thenorrisgroup.com/blog. Up on the radio show, we've got Mr. Creative Financing himself, Peter Fortunato, on for the next couple weeks. You won't want to miss those. July 13th, we've got California Comeback 2, Fast, Furious, and Dangerous. This is Bruce Norris's, he only does these reports every other year typically. This is a special report, 270 pages, over 400 charts, all market timing, no strategy. So if you like market timing, you won't want to miss this. The early bird registration deadline is July 4th. Don't wait, because we typically sell out. And July 16th, the Norris Group Property Buying Bootcamp is back on our calendar. So if you want more information, you can see our website, or you can call Diana Barley at our office. With that, if you're looking for hard money loans, check out all 5 of our programs on thenorrisgroup.com. Or if you're looking for some passive returns, you can check out tngtrustdeeds.com. We actually have 12, 11, and 9% trust deeds available. You'll want to check that out. With that, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next week.